Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our sourcing verification series. In part 1, we learned how to use CNAS to check whether a testing company is authorized. Today, we'll go one step further and talk about how to verify the digital signature and confirm that the certificate itself is authentic. The next thing to check is the web page that verifies the digital signature found in the certification. Translate the page into English, upload the document, and it will confirm whether the signature is valid and if the document has not been modified. This step is especially useful for verifying ROHS certificates. Sometimes the company website doesn't have a public verification page, so you may need to email them directly with the documents to confirm that the product was tested by them. This is the most thorough verification method, though it takes time and not all companies respond quickly. Another best practice is to check whether the model number tested in the certificate matches the actual product. For example, if the model in the certificate is MS606, make sure that matches the product in question. In this case, the supplier clarified that the epilator model also includes a callus remover and a shaving head, which were all covered under the same certification. So that's the overall process for verifying product certifications. I also asked if they had testing from international labs like Intertek or SGS, which are globally recognized. They said no, but if we want to take the extra step, testing with Intertek or SGS usually costs around $100 per certification. That's basically what I did, and some of the best practices to follow for checking certifications. This is SourcingXpro, helping you source smarter and safer from China. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more sourcing tips.